Hello friends, welcome to review House and Halls. Now today I'm going to talk about face wash. I have already talked about a glycolic acid face wash before this. Now I'm going to talk about another face wash that worked for my oily skin, and not only worked for my oily skin but also it let me to get rid of all my pimple on my face that is being present. And today I'm going to talk about this Globus glycolic acid face wash as well as the salicylic acid is being present. So after seeing this product, you might be thinking that what she is going to explain you about that. All the videos are being available about this product. The most important thing which I'm going to talk about this product is that it works very efficiently with that of the oily skin. I was not willing to buy this product because by seeing its local packaging, it looks with that of the complete local packaging and looks like a complete local kind of product. That's why I was not thinking to buy this product. But because of my sufferings on my skin, I took the risk and I bought this product. And what I found the most better thing about this product is that it helped my skin to clear a lot. There was a time when I suffered from the suffered acne on my skin on my T-zone area, and what happened after a certain period of time that my jawline and chin area, there I used to get a big pimples on my face. Then I thought it is a hormonal change or something, hormonal pimples I'm getting on my skin. Then first of all, before going to doctor, I thought that let me think about this, study about this, and let me try some products so that if it goes, then I can understand that it is a random pimple that I'm getting in my face. So I bought this product. It worked on my skin. It removed my oiliness. This T-zone area was so much oily on my face. Now also you can see somewhat shiny it looks over here. It's just because of my oily skin, but now I have controlled a lot with that of my oily skin. This was the product which helped me to get rid of that. I use it daily on my face, only in the night time, because any of the glycolic acid or salicylic acid face wash, whichever you are using, it is more preferred to be used in the night time. And whenever you are using in that time, in daytime, you have to use some kind of sunscreen for that, so that your skin get protected. About the glycolic acid and salicylic acid, I must say that it has some kind of the bubble kind of appearance. You can see that it's a complete aqua appearance as well that of the gel kind of appearance in this. And in this some beads are being present, which helps you to scrub your skin gets slightly scrubbed with that. And you know what it does, when you apply first day, second day you will feel that your pimple is getting dry, third day it will getting more dry, and the pimples are getting, but the other part of your skin, it is not going to that dry that you have to apply lots of moisturizer in your skin. It will just clear your skin, and those pimples, those affected areas which are being affected areas is being treated by this product. And this cost of this product is just 145 rupees, and in the time of discount in Amazon, Flipkart, anywhere you are going to get it in more less price. And it works awesome on your skin, I must tell. And the quantity of glycolic acid is being present over here in 2%, salicylic acid is present in 1%, and aloe vera extract is 5%, and vitamin acetate is being present with that of the 0.5%, and it has a gel base. You can use it every day. Before this I've talked about my glycolic acid face wash, which I use twice a week to exfoliate my skin, and this face wash which I use daily for my skin. It has a very minimum quantity of glycolic acid which is being present in this. And you know, if you are thinking that it is not, as per my thinking, that when I was thinking that it is not going to work, but literally let me tell you, it works. You will feel that in a week. Just use it for 1 week. 145 rupees is not a much amount that we cannot spend, but it works. It is worth to buy, and I'm going to continue with this face wash. This is an awesome product. If you want, I will provide the link in the description box. You can go from that, or you can directly search on any of the cosmetics apps to get this product. You can buy from there also. And let me tell you, it works. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel so that I can share my more of the experience, how I cleared my oily skin, how I get rid of my pimples and the large pores problem. I'm going to make more videos. Please support me with that of the subscription. Thank you so much for watching this video.